So, basically, we're gonna have the Valley Railroad series coming soon. But I think I should explain. This is kind of a pre-trailer. So basically, this man is named Harley Velty Jr. And it starts off about, I want to say, mid-1990s. And he is quite cross. Because he doesn't have an engine to run yet. Although he does own the entirety of the Velty Valley Railroad. Please ignore this little guy. So he finds a little tank engine. But it gets scrapped beforehand. So finally he buys Fret, the tender engine. Perfect size for what he needs on his railroad. Is that everybody? Remember, catch this on its first episode. I promise you will not be sorry. These two men agree.